ada di Imago Shopping Mall di blok 135 kan? Ya, right. Baru first time buka. DJI guys. Drone guys, drone. Mana back to drone guys. Ini all the salesperson. They all come all the way from KL. This is the most professional drone guys. Look at that. More detail, please come over.
Yes, please
I cannot show the price. More better, come over and explore here.
Yeah, experience.
Ini yang shock.
Yes, ini memang shock abang.
How to use this one?
Ini pakai motion controller untuk main.
Oh.
Motion controller yang ini.
Then what you see here, you turn left, the drone pun turn left.
Yes, head tracking mode.
Yeah, I saw that one also.
You abang bisa study ya?
Yeah, guys. So lebih dari itu, kita tolong dah datang sini.
Experience.
Ya, Miss.
Suzanne.
So what is your suggestion? Your
You can come here to experience. We have a lot of demo unit for you to try.
Okay, guys. So this is the exhibition place. Exhibition, but this is what they're selling here. Alright, see.
Even you can bring your own camera
see.
here to test.
See this is. Oh, price jangan tengok. You just come. Datang sini tengok. See, this is all the gimbal here, all the gadget here. Wow, beautiful.
Yes.
See.
Banyak handheld gimbal
Tengok
semua ada.
Macam itu GoPro, mantap guys. You can see the.
Mantap yang ini.
You can see the.
Sini tepi. Sini. Ya,
See,
betul.
you got two screen, you know. You got one in front and one at the back.
Yeah.
So beautiful, guys. Don't look at the price. Just come over. Okay. So, wow, see, very beautiful. Okay, I think.